Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download any Google Play APK to PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open Chrome and log in to your Google account. Click the dots icon in the top right corner, scroll down and select the Google Play icon to open the Play Store. Then click the three-dot icon again, scroll down and hover over the Cast, Save and Share option. In the dialog box that appears, select Install Page as App. Click Install to add Google Play as a standalone app on your Windows 11 PC. After installation, right-click the app icon and pin it to the taskbar. Open it and browse the available games. To download a game, click it and press Install on Windows. To find specific apps, use the search bar. Type the app name, like Snapchat or WhatsApp. If it says Install on more devices but not Install on this Windows, that app isn't supported for PC yet. You'll see a message saying it's not available for your device. You can use emulators like BlueStacks for unsupported apps, but the experience differs and may not be ideal. So that's basically how you can download any Google Play APK to PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.